Wait, are you about to pack dried fish and that delicious ogbono for your trip to the US? My friend, stop it. Because if you do, US customs might just seize them at the airport and you could get fined. Before I spill all the gist on what not to pack, I have a question for you. Have you or someone you know ever had the Nigerian food confiscated or ever been fined by US customs? Drop a comment below. I'm really curious to hear your experiences. Also, let me tell you something. Just because you've gotten away with bringing in some of these foods before doesn't mean that they are actually allowed. One day, customs might not be so nice, and trust me, getting fined or having all your beloved food thrown in the trash is not a fun way to start your trip or arrive back home. So let's get into it. Because some of your favorite Nigerian foods are banned from entering the US, and you do not want to be that person unpacking their bushmeats in front of an angry customs officer. Let's talk about meats and meat products. Suya, kelechi, bushmeat. Fresh, dried or canned meats. Any form of beef, goat, lamb or bushmeat is prohibited. This includes suya, that's our spiced grilled meat, and kelechi, the spicy dried meat. Also, meat-based products, soups or stews containing meat such as pepper soup or egusi soup with meat are also not allowed. Next, fresh fruits and vegetables, yams, okra, ugu leaves. Fresh produce, items like yams, plantain, okra, and leafy vegetables like ugu, bitter leaf are restricted due to the risk of introducing pests and diseases. Next, dairy products, milk, soft cheese. Milk and soft cheeses. Bringing in milk or soft cheeses like wara, a type of Nigerian cheese, is generally prohibited too. Let's talk about seeds and nuts, egusi, groundnuts. Egusi seeds intended for consumption or planting are restricted without proper permits. Raw groundnuts, peanuts, may be subject to restrictions unless they are processed or roasted. So if your groundnut is roasted, you can carry it as much as you want. Next, animal products like snails, dried fish. Bush meat, any wild animal meat is strictly prohibited due to the health concerns. Snails and dried fish. Certain types of dried fish and snails may not be allowed. So, what should you do to stay compliant? Declare all food items. Always declare any food items you're carrying, even if you're unsure of their status. Failure to declare can result in fines up to $10,000. Also, check the latest regulation before traveling. Before traveling, consult the US Customs and Border Protection website for the most current information on prohibited items. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Alright guys, now you know, don't let US Customs disgrace you at the airport. Declare your food, check the rules and travel smart. And don't forget, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and follow your girl on Instagram at Sassy_Funke for more Nigerian travel tips. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!